Deep beneath the ocean, there lives a creature the size of your hand. That can throw one of the fastest punches on Earth. Not faster than a boxer. Not faster than a bullet. Faster than almost anything in the animal kingdom. Its strike is so violent, it can crack aquarium glass, break open crab shells like candy, and briefly create temperatures nearly as hot as the surface of the sun. This is mantis shrimp. And it may be the most absurdly overpowered animal in the ocean. At first glance, the mantis shrimp looks almost cartoonish. Bright neon colors. Huge alien-like eyes. A body that looks like it belongs in a sci-fi movie. But hidden beneath that strange appearance, is a biological weapon unlike anything else in nature. Some species of mantis shrimp are called smashers. Because instead of claws, they evolved spring-loaded clubs. Imagine a hammer, powered by a crossbow. Inside their arms are specialized biological springs that store enormous amounts of energy. The shrimp slowly compresses these springs, locking them into place. And then, in less than a millisecond, the arm releases, accelerating faster than a .22 caliber bullet. The strike moves so quickly, that water literally cannot get out of the way in time. And that creates something terrifying. Cavitation. As the arm slices through the water, it leaves behind a low-pressure vacuum bubble. That bubble instantly collapses. Violently. Creating a second of force. So the mantis shrimp doesn't just punch its prey once. It punches it twice. First with the physical strike. Then with a miniature underwater shockwave explosion. In slow motion, it looks unreal. A flash of bubbles. A burst of light. And the shell of a crab suddenly shattering apart. But it gets even crazier. When cavitation bubbles collapse, they release enormous energy in a microscopic space. For a tiny fraction of a second, temperatures inside the bubble can reach thousands of degrees. Hotter than the surface of the sun. All created by an animal hiding in coral reefs. Of course, the heat only exists for an instant. But the fact that nature engineered a creature capable of producing tiny underwater explosions is almost unbelievable. And somehow, the mantis shrimp survives its own attacks. Its clubs are built from one of the toughest biological materials ever studied. Layered structures absorb the impact without breaking apart. In fact, scientists are studying mantis shrimp armor to design stronger body armor, aircraft materials, and impact-resistant technology. Nature solved engineering problems millions of years before humans even existed. But the mantis shrimp's punch isn't its only superpower. Its eyes may be even stranger. Humans have 3 types of color receptors: red, green, and blue. Mantis shrimp can have up to 16. They can detect ultraviolet light, polarized light, colors humans literally cannot imagine. To them, the ocean may look completely different from anything we have ever seen. An alien world hidden inside our own. And maybe that's what makes the mantis shrimp so fascinating. It feels less like an animal, and more like a creature from another planet. A tiny marine warrior with super speed weapons, indestructible armor, and vision beyond human comprehension. All living quietly beneath the waves. Most people will go their entire lives without ever seeing one. But somewhere in the ocean right now, a creature no bigger than your phone, is throwing punches powerful enough to create underwater explosions. Which is a reminder of something strange about nature: the deadliest weapons are not always the largest. Sometimes, they're small enough to fit in the palm of your hand.